and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. CM justifies inaction of cops in Wagh attack case, will not act without confirming identity of accused. CM says police gathering corroborative evidences. Series of burglaries keep police on toes. Police to intensify beat policing and night patrolling. CM takes security review. Security guards agencies under scanner. Select Lok Sabha candidates in time. Do not wait till last minute. CLP requests High Command. Expresses concern over rising crime rate. Court reject Tejpal's plea to hold hearing of his bail plea in camera. Court to hear bail plea on 4 January. Tejpal likely to appoint senior lawyer. And barrage of questions await the sleeping Lusophonia Games organizers as Goa face risk of international shame. And now the news in detail. There is no major breakthrough yet in BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh attack case, but Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has justified this inaction by the cops. He says police will not act without confirming the information, as the information about the suspects is being fed from the NCP quarters. Top officials of Goa police claim that investigation is on right track. While there is no action seen on ground against the culprits, 8 of them have moved for anticipatory bail plea.
With almost a week after the attack, police claim that the investigation in MLA Vishnu Wagh attack case is on and they are verifying the names of the alleged culprits. Names given by the victim MLA Vishnu are provided by NCP State President Nilkanth Halankar. That's what the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says. He says police are tracing the call details of the involved persons.
First information you see, so we have to take action only after properly verifying. I will not take action unless I double check all the issues. कारण माझ्या हिशोबान 10 मनीस एखादो मनीस न वळखणाऱ्या एरियेन 10 मनशांक काळखान बुरखे घाल्ले आसतना वळखप is a big thing. Police are definitely collecting evidence of who are involved, and they are not ruling out any possibility. And those who have participated will be appropriately charge sheeted. But एक गजाल सांगता guaranteed, there will be charge sheet. Don't worry about it. तुम्ही सगळ्यांत पहिले स्टेटमेंट प्रुडंटाचेर विष्णू वाघाचेच स्टेटमेंट काढा आनी वाचा. म्हाका स्वता विष्णू वाघ सांगला आपूण तोंडान वळखता आपणे हे घाल्ले तांच्यांनी बुरखे घाल्ले चडशे लोकांनी आनी आपूण तोंडान आयडेंटिफाय करूंक शकता. सो वेन वी आयडेंटिफाय देम बाय appropriate some documentary evidence, we will present them before him for identification parade. नावां दिल्या ती म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे निळकंठान दिल्या आनी ती हाणें रिपीट केल्या. आय टोल्ड यू, आय हॅव डायरेक्टेड देम दॅट देर इज unless you identify a person to be involved in that, don't go for arrest. First identify properly. BJPचो सुद्धा कार्यकर्तो असलो जाल्यार ताका तूं धरतलो जाल्यार तुजे कडेन इनफ एविडन्स आसूं न्ही. कारण फाल्यां तो कार्यकर्तो सुट्टा आनी तुजे कडेन जर एविडन्स नासले तो म्हजे कडेन येवन बॉब मारता आपल्याक बेठोच अरेस्ट केलो म्हणून. आय हॅव टू सी द अदर सायड ऑल्सो. आनी फाल्यां एनसीबीचो कार्यकर्तो ना कशा वयल्यान भितर.
Police officials are still in the monitoring mode with no firm action on ground. DIG OP Mishra off camera said, police officers are probing the case as per law and SP of North Goa is monitoring the case. SP North Goa Priyanka Kashyap, without revealing details about the investigation, said, investigating team is gathering the required corroborative evidence against the accused. Despite claiming the case to be in the priority list, North SP still has no action to show on record against the culprits. Meanwhile, 8 suspects named in the complaint have applied for an anticipatory bail in Mapsa Sessions Court. Mahesh Ghadi, Mukesh Kumar with Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Series of burglaries and house-breaking thefts in the state has alarmed the Home Ministry. Home Minister Parrikar held a crucial meeting with senior police officials on Friday. It has been decided to increase the beat policing and night patrol. However, police have failed to nab even one gang till now. The security agencies in the state will be under scanner. Chief Minister informed that it will be mandatory for agencies to register with the government besides a mandatory 15 years residence for security personnel.
Security agency जो आसा तांकां फाटल्या दिसान सरकारान एक रुल्स बदलल्या म्हणजे वॉचमॅन बी दितात पळय वेगवेगळे बहुतेक रजिस्टर जाल्ल्यो ना एक काय दोनूच रजिस्टर जाल्ल्या वी हॅव गिवन देम सम टायम टू रजिस्टर. If they don't apply in next by 15th of January, we will seal their offices and take action against not only the owners but also against those who engage. 10 to 15 years residence requirement of the person who is engaged in security agency. आणि तांचे कसलेच व्हेरिफिकेशन केल्ले नसता. So we have amended the rule saying that henceforth any security agency shall necessarily engage a person who is at least 10 to 15 years depending on the post resident of the state of Goa. काल आयलो कोण वर्सां पयलीं आयलो 2 वर्सां पयलीं they will have to be all terminated and sent back. They cannot be engaged. आनी हांव हांगा पयलींच हें सांगून दवरता बोगस सर्टिफिकेट कोणें दिलें हातून दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो सरकाराक फटोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार वी वील बी taking very serious action including cancellation of security agency license. सगळेकडे night patrolling, physical night patrolling has been directed including senior officers. In fact, we are in the process of getting IT device, fingerprint, so that anyone who is on night duty just has to put his thumb there, it gets recorded when he was inspected, when scrutiny was carried out. Night patrol, motorcycle patrol, highway patrol, आणि बीट पेट्रोलिंग सिस्टीम परत एक्टिवेट करपाक लायिल्ली आहा. टुरिस्ट सीजन जातकच नायट एक्टिविटी एट 1 o'clock will have to be shut down.
Congress Legislature Party held a meeting on Friday. CLP urged High Command to decide upon their Lok Sabha candidates in time. They have requested their leaders in Delhi not to wait till last minute to declare candidates. The CLP also raised concerns about rising crime rate in the state. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.